Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Nesting Padasali. So this video will be really helpful for those students who are going to write your Joint CSIR UGC NET examination June 2021. So on the day of examination, even though you had prepared for 6 months or 1 year of preparation, everything will be finalized only in the 3 hours of the examination period. So if you take the Joint CSIR examination, the exam is for 3 hours. So we are having 180 minutes in your hand. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how I planned the 180 minutes because everything I had learned from my mistakes only. Previously, I didn't have any kind of strategy. So at that time point, I can't even clear this particular examination. And later on, even I had cleared my CSIR examination at my 4th attempt only. So I have 3 attempts in my hand. So I'm the right person to provide you or to guide you if you are going to attempt for the first time or you had attempted for many times and you are struggling to clear. So this particular tip and trick will be very much helpful for you. You can follow this particular tip and you can customize based on your need. Okay, since for the 4 sciences I had, since physical sciences, sorry, for mathematical, chemical and life sciences students, then definitely this particular thing will be very much helpful. Okay, so once you enter your examination hall, they will take you all kind of details. They will take you photograph like that, and they will ask you to log in through your roll number and also your password. Password is nothing but your date of birth. They will give you all the kind of information in the mic. Okay, so don't worry. This particular video is all about how you need to approach the examination hall. Say this is a question paper, friends. So I am giving for you. This is how your question paper will be. So English and Hindi. You can get familiarized with both the English and Hindi. Okay, which are the things familiar you can give. Okay, so this is what the thing is, that this is a dashboard or this thing. So if it is means not visited. This orange color says you are not even answer the question. This green color says you answer the question, and this purple color round alone says mark for review, whereas this purple color round, and here you can able to see green color small round, here we are saying answered and mark for review. Okay, here you will have save and next, clear, save and mark for review, and next, everything will be given. Okay, so here you will have a remaining time also, it will be given for you. Okay, so with respect to this particular CSIR examination, you will have nearly 3 sections: part A, part B and part C. So total number of question is 145 question. Okay, so this is what the thing. So once you had opened your question paper, what you should do, you should go to the part C section. Okay, first you should write the part C. Okay, next you should write the part B. Next you should write the part A type of question. Okay, so I had made a timetable for you so that if it is benefit for you students, then I'll be happy. So this is what the time period that I need to share with you. So the total time is 180 minutes, that is 3 hours. First 45 minutes, once you log in, you should not distract, just pray first time, so that you should pray to God to make yourself clear in your concept, and also all the question that has been asked in the question paper will be should be familiar for you too, and also make yourself clear. The question paper should be easy. Okay, first 45 minutes you should give or you should write part C type of question. Okay, and this particular part C, 90% confident question alone you should try to write. Okay, and next 30 minutes you should attempt part B question, and again 90% confident question alone you should write. Since in CSIR exam also we do have negative marking, and next 30 minutes you should write part paper number A, that is part A, that is nothing but your general aptitude type of question. So general aptitude, yes, again it will be hard, but if you take 15 question, at least 10 question will be very much easy. If you had go through previous year questions with respect to part A in your life sciences, physical sciences, chemical sciences and mathematical sciences, then you can try as much as possible. At the same time, please make yourself clear this part A also have a negative marking. So by attempting for those questions in part A, you should not lose negative marking, and many students will fail to clear the CSIR examination only with the negative marks. Okay, so that's the reason I'm saying. So once you have completed all the parts, then again you need to take 45 minutes and you need to finalize the question that you have answered and marked for review. So I hope you students are aware about this answered and marked for review kind of thing. Say, if I know the answer for this question but still I have a confusion, or else I need to revisit the question. This is somewhat confusing. I'm only 75% I'm clear in that particular question, means you need to click a particular option and you need to click this particular option. save and mark for review. So once you click, here you will have like this option, purple color dot, and here you should have a green color, purple and green color circle. Okay, and only this will be taken for consideration. Say instead of that, you are simply clicking mark for review and next, means here only violet color will be there. This type of question, since you don't even answer the question, they won't take the question for reviewing. Okay, and if you consider this particular thing, you had answered the question, but you need to revisit the question once you had completed the exam. This type of question, since you had answered, they will take for that particular analysis. Okay. And also, if you take this particular question and for which you had clicked this particular answer and mark for review, means what they will do, even if the question is correct, they will give you correct mark. The question is wrong, again you will be giving a negative marking. Whereas if you take this type of question where you have given marked for review alone, where you didn't even answer the question, for this type of question they don't reduce mark, because they don't take this type of question into consideration. And next, this type of question, you didn't even answer the question. Okay, and next, this type of question. Okay, so you know the answer for this question, you are 100% confident, mean you need to click the option and you need to save for next. This green color option says that you have attempted the question for which you have 90 to 100% confident. So once you had completed all the question, you no need to visit this type of marks and all. You simply need to revisit only this type of question. So that's what I had made in this particular thing. So here you can be able to see, finalize the question that you have answered and mark for review. You should convert all this particular purple color and green color circle to this particular polygonal shape, that is green color mark. Say here I can show you, wait. Here you need to again, once you have completed examination, you need to click this particular question and you need to once again visit, and you are sure about the particular option which you had selected, then you need to click save and next. So here you can be able to green color option. So that's what you should do in that particular time. So that's the thing I had mentioned over here. Next 15 minutes you need to calculate the mark. Okay, so the last video I had made a detailed analysis of all the minimum mark to qualify the CSIR exam under physical sciences category wise. Both JRF also I had given you safe mark, and for LS also I had given you. For mathematical sciences I had given, for chemical sciences I had given, for life sciences I had given. So based on your category and your subject, just try to know your general mark. Say if you are written your examination for mathematical sciences under JRF category, means if you are a general category student, means if you are applied examination under general category, means the safest mark is 90 to 125. So here after calculating a mark, so for 200 you are getting 130 mark out of 200, means at this time point you need to stop writing your question and you need to sit simply. And you need to sit simply without watching a question paper, or else you better sleep. Okay, because some student after completing the examination, they won't sit simply, they will just revisit the question paper and make yourself confused, and your mind will think around unnecessary concept, and this will make you to give answers for those questions which you had already given them correct. Okay, but you had given again a new answer, that is the answer is which is wrong. Okay, in order to prevent that particular thing and also to get rid from negative marking, sit simply. Okay, so say if you calculate a mark for which 200 mark you are getting only 60 or 70, means then you should go to the next step, that is try to, you need to take another 30 minutes, you need to try to answer the question for which 75% confident. So some question you will be kept that for only for marked for review. Okay, you need to revisit those questions and you need to try as much as questions, so that in this 65 or 60 75, instead of that you need to get your safest mark. So at that time point you need to get, so you need to calculate your mark. So side by side, if you given question number 1 correct mark 4 mark, like that, if you part C for 4 mark and part B for 4 mark, you need to calculate accordingly. Part B first question or 22nd question I had attempted or put a tick mark, give 2 mark. Part C first question I had given correct answer 4 mark, like that 4 like that. At last you need to calculate. Part C you need to get for 100, if you are getting 70 then you need to stop at that time point, sir. Then accordingly you should calculate your mark. Okay, so that's a trick and strategy that I'll follow. So please have this particular time point in your mind, and once you have open your question paper, don't ever try to apply for the general aptitude type of question, because general aptitude type of question, if you are life sciences or chemical science and mathematical sciences, it won't be easy at all. Maybe mathematical sciences you can attempt. If you are a chemical sciences and physical sciences and life sciences, please don't try to attempt this part A. Anyway, even though it is attempted, it will collapse you, and it will take around 45 minutes of time period, and you can't able to spend as much time for your part C and part B. So that's the reason first you should part C you should write, because part C carries 50% of mark, 100 mark, and you should fresh from their exam inside the examination hall without no thoughts. So it will make yourself to give as much as thing you can attempt for those questions. So first write part C, then part B, then part A you can write. Don't ever try to write part B first or part A first. First you should be writing your part C question. So that's it for today's video, friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.